Hi everyone, this is Melrin De Luna of Team ERL under Team Will Blanza of SM Development Corporation. Today, we're on the lookout for an international marketing partner based abroad na gustong kumita ng unlimited extra income. Yes guys, this is unlimited extra income na kung saan nasa bahay ka lang, maghahanap lang tayo ng mga possible clients or possible na gustong mag-invest dito sa Pilipinas. So don't worry guys kasi wala kayong quota dito, wala kayong ilalabas na capital. Ang kailangan nyo lang dito yung sipag at tiyaga, maghanap ng mga possible client. And you only need to do is contact me. I will put my contact details here. So we will discuss kung paano i-grab yung big opportunity na meron dito kay SMBC. Guys, join our team where your skills will be recognized and your success celebrated. Sabay-sabay tayong yumaman guys at we can't wait to welcome you on my team and our team.